Ladies and gentlemen, with that, our final speaker for the conclave needs no introduction. Saina Nehwal is India's pride and continues to inspire an entire generation. Olympic medalist, former world number one, a badminton icon, her journey to the top has its shares of ups and downs, but gritty and perseverant Saina has always found her way back to success and glory. Please give a huge round of applause for Saina Nehwal in conversation with my co-host and Times Now's Anand Narasimhan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something which you must not miss. And before we get chatting, I don't know if she'll stand with me for a selfie afterwards, after we finish the conversation. So let's do this at the India Economic Conclave. We've got to do that, Saina. And let's do it with the audience too, if you don't mind. There you go, guys. You're all there in the picture. All right, let's get cracking with one person who's nothing short of an inspiration. No, no, it's already decided. So, Saina, we're going to talk about breaking barriers, but let me ask you, how are you feeling ahead of the Commonwealth Games? 4th of April, Gold Coast.
Everyone is ready, I'm ready, and we are leaving on the 1st and looking forward to the Commonwealth Games. The target is to, of course, win it, but the challenge is tough, but I'm trying my level best, and hopefully the outcome should be good.
Badminton is tough. Ladies and gentlemen, behind all this beauty and this fashion statement that she's making on the India Economic Conclave, beg your pardon, she has gone through pain that we cannot even think about. She has played through pain. She has stood on the podium with the tricolor in her hand, with her legs busted, her back sore. Correct me if I'm wrong. Even 2010, that moment, Commonwealth Games.
Actually, I didn't know that before the match. Many people were telling me that, Saina, if you win your match, India will come into the second position. We were into the third one. So I was like, please don't put me under pressure. I'm going to just give my best and let's see what happens. In fact, that match was like a entertainment. इतना drama था उस match में. मैं match point 19 down भी थी second game, and then that last point fell on the line. And the umpire could say anything, right या out, कुछ भी बोल सकता था क्योंकि उस time पर review system भी नहीं था जैसे अभी है. And then, you know, the opponent just went to her coach. She started cheering. She just started. मतलब उसको believe नहीं हुआ कि gold medal आ गया उसको, and she didn't look at the umpire कि उसने right बोल दिया. And then I was like, oh my god, the whole stadium was cheering like anything. It was like जैसे cricket match में होता है ना, everyone was like Saina, Saina, क्योंकि वो right गिर गया, and they just wanted me to win the next 2 points, and then the table turned. I won the second game 22-20, and third game was like, yeah, of course she got tired, so it was 21-11 or something. But इतना मतलब मैंने tension दिया था उस दिन. I think मेरे parents को, मेरे friends को, they were like, but they really enjoyed the match, and they were like really happy that first time we got gold medal in women's, which never happened before, in badminton. So it was.
That's nice. The pressure she felt at 19. You're just about to be 20.
Yeah, because it was in Delhi. It was
Delhi.
more.
And it was in Delhi. It was in Delhi. We had 99 medals as a nation. Last day, hopes were on the Indian hockey team and Saina Nehwal. So the hockey team came runner-up. Saina Nehwal took the tricolor and was on the podium, and India beat England to the second spot. Wasn't that
Yes.
my memory right? Because I was there, Commonwealth Games, covering the Delhi Commonwealth Games, and what a moment that was. And then cut that to Glasgow, which you had to skip because of injury. Then 2016 Rio Olympics. How did you break through that? Because people had written you off, Saina. You know that. आप जानते हैं. आप सही जानते. बहुत लोगों ने कहा होगा कि अब कैसे आएगी वापस, क्या करेगी?
देखिए, I know it's difficult. रोना आता है. मैं भी एक normal person हूँ. I'm also someone who is learning. Even it's not easy for me to take those difficult times क्योंकि मैंने बहुत अच्छा देख लिया था उस time तक world number 1 बन गई थी. Everyone was like, Saina is doing really well. Everything is falling in place. And then suddenly this phase comes where I'm like, I can't even believe it कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा कि एक दिन मुझे surgery करवानी पड़ेगी अपनी नी की जहाँ पे मुझे स्पर आ गया था, and I also had tendonitis, एंड इट वाज जस्ट अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्योंकि मुझे लगा नहीं था कि अंदर एक बोन ग्रोथ भी हो चुकी है और उसको वो टूट भी गया है बोन. And doctor had to, I went to doctor immediately after the Olympics because I couldn't even play properly, and it was actually rubbing my tendon.
So through the Olympics,
Yeah.
you went to the Olympics with a bone
Bone
growth
spur.
in the knee, a
Yeah.
spurt, which had also chipped.
Yeah, and I played 2 matches with that, and doctor was like, I can't believe it. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह पे होता तो I think मैं रोने लग जाता because playing in that pain, which is actually rubbing your tendon, and tendon भी टूट सकता था उसकी वजह से. तो तुमने 2 matches, वो भी second match 19-19, and I was just because that feeling of winning was so much कि वो जो शॉक की तरह लग रहा था ना वो सीधा सर पे अटैक. It was like really really horrible moment for me, of course. मुझे इतना दुख हुआ उधर वो छोड़ के जाने का वो मैच because I was very well prepared. Just 1 month before I won the Australia Open and people were like, Saina is really playing well, she's improving so much, and definitely she's going to come back with a medal again. London में bronze था तो I was expecting कि इस बार with my form I can do better, but didn't even expect कि जाने से पहले ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा जो मैं गिरी नहीं, मुझे कुछ चोट नहीं लगी. It was just because सेशंस के वक्त एक वो जो बोन एक्स्ट्रा जो हो चुकी थी ग्रोथ वो टूट गई, and it was something which is like, I can't even believe it. And I immediately left the village. I came back the next day after my match. Even my father was there with me in Olympics. He wanted to see me play, and I felt so bad. I was like, I'm not staying here anymore. I want to go back and see what's wrong with my knee because it's not getting all right. I even took like a week break before the Olympics, and it didn't settle down. It actually became worse. So came back, and the doctor was like, see Saina, there is no way. I tried to, in the village, I tried to even get the cortisone injection so that I can play properly. उधर मुझे कुछ pain feel ना हो, and I had 2 days break before my match, लेकिन कुछ भी recovery नहीं हुआ. Everything just failed. So,
but tell me something, why did you want to do all this? I'm just thinking what makes you different from all of us. अगर हमारा यहाँ पे बुखार हो जाता है, boss छुट्टी ले रहे हैं, नहीं आ रहे हैं, mood नहीं है यार, सुबह we got up from the wrong side of the bed. And here you are, the doctor is saying, and you know very well that if you play, you might not even walk ever. But why did you want to take a cortisone injection and play?
of course.
I'm just trying to get into your head. कि भाई ऐसी क्या सनक है आपकी, बताइए तुसी.
नहीं, I think अच्छा रहेगा कि कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के दिमाग से ना सोचे, क्योंकि हम इतने रिजल्ट्स के लिए एंड फॉर द कंट्री ऑफ कोर्स जीतना चाहते हैं और मेडल लाना चाहते हैं. समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपन जो कभी हुआ नहीं है पहले. अगर चलो काफ़ी प्लेयर्स ने फेस कर लिया है वो तो ठीक है, फिर भी दे नो हाउ इट इज़, बट आई नेवर फेस्ड इट. एंड मुझे कुछ पापा वहाँ पे थे, कोचेज वहाँ पे थे, आई कांट इवन टेल देम कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि मुझे चलने को भी, आई वाज लिम्पिंग. मैं बस को जाते वक्त भी मैं लंगड़ती थी, एंड दे वर लाइक, साइना ये कैसे चल रही है, एंड हाउ विल यू प्ले द मैचेस. इनफैक्ट आई वन राउंड विद दैट. आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि एक राउंड निकाल लिया मैंने उसके साथ हेवी टेपिंग करके. बट ऑल दिस आई डिड बिकॉज वी आर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स आर रियली desperate. उनको जीतने का इतना रहता है ना कि they can go to I think any extent. All the sports person, I salute all of them क्योंकि इतने पेन से खेलते हैं. अगर कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बोल रहा होगा कि मैं आज फिट हूँ, बट उसके बॉडी में पेन जरूर रहेंगे. इट इज़ डेफिनेटली देयर. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि पेन आपको नहीं खेलने देगा, बट इट इज़ अ स्वीट काइंड ऑफ अ पेन विच यू कैन स्टिल प्ले विद. But it's difficult for a sports person to just sit like that idly and see कि दूसरे खेल रहे हैं, आपका नी टूटा हुआ है, and everyone is expecting you to win medal. तो कितना बुरा लगता है. I understand that because even I can मैं एक normal audience की तरह बैठ के भी सोच सकती हूँ कैसा हो रहा है, लेकिन I know कि ऐसा मेरी डेस्टिनी में नहीं था. I couldn't play. लेकिन उसके बाद जो लोगों ने मेरा साथ दिया, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, और जो डॉक्टर दिनशा पार्डीवाला सर हैं कोकिला बहन हॉस्पिटल में, ही वॉज लाइक, साइना देयर इज़ वन ऑप्शन, तुम सर्जरी, यू हैव टू डू द सर्जरी बिकॉज अदरवाइज इवन इफ यू टेक ब्रेक फॉर 4 months द बोन इज गोइंग टू हर्ट यू अगेन. आई सेड आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट. द नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट देयर, आई रिमूव दैट, एंड I felt good. I felt as if the knees, good again.
But that was quite a bit of a seesaw, no? Because inside a hospital room with your knee taped, which is your biggest weapon, your legs are your biggest weapon. It's not even your hand and whatever deception, it's your movement, and the movement happens because of your legs in badminton. And you are there with your knee taped, and you have a blank wall and perhaps a TV, and I'm sure you would have been looking at the news channels or I don't know what. And then there was somebody like Sindhu who was coming up. And overnight, you suddenly saw yourself from becoming a superstar to a has-been. And that, people have moved on from Saina and they've picked on a new star into Sindhu. Did you feel angry? Did you feel cheated at that point in time? How did you break that barrier, that wall, that dark wall that you have to overcome and come back and say, I'll come back on court, I will play against that person, I will beat her and I'll beat the best in the business to show this world that I'm not done yet. It takes a lot of will to do that. She's done it. She has done it.
2006 से मैं कोर्ट पे लड़ती आ रही हूँ. I was the youngest one to win many titles. I won so much. I faced so many defeats. उस टाइम पे भी जो लोग मेरे साथ थे वो मेरे पेरेंट्स थे, मेरे कोचेस थे. इनफैक्ट दैट डे व्हेन आई टुक द डिसीजन कि मुझे सर्जरी करवानी है, मैंने आई जस्ट डिडंट वांट टू प्ले. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मुझे मैं नहीं खेल सकती थी, बट आई वाज लाइक कि मुझसे शायद नहीं होगा. आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद माई नी. मुझे खेलने नहीं दिया, और बाकी जो मुझे अपने आप से एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि कहाँ मैं पहुँच सकती थी वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ. डेफिनेटली ऐसा होगा, क्योंकि लास्ट 2-3 years से इफ़ यू सी Sindhu, Srikanth, Pranoy, Sai Praneeth, all have the capabilities of performing extremely well. And बुरा लगा कि मैं उधर नहीं थी. I couldn't play and I had to come back. सर्जरी करवाना पड़ा. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा पेन है तो फिर भी ठीक है. सर्जरी करके ऐसे बैठी हूँ, and I didn't know कि अब आगे क्या होने वाला है, कितना टाइम लगेगा उसको रिकवरी के लिए, and how many more months I have to wait, and then फॉर्म आने के लिए another 7-8 months. So it takes time. When you take a break from the thing you're doing, it's not easy because you need match practice. You need time to get back to the same fitness. Your knee should be same like before. In fact, I asked one of the South African physio who's in the same hospital. He said, एक बार सर्जरी हो गई तो आपका नी 100% नहीं है. It's close to only 80-85%. उसमें हम आपको जितना भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, आप जितना भी स्ट्रेंथनिंग कर सकते हैं, that's all you can do. But you can play, you can give your best. But it's not like कि तुम movement नहीं कर सकते. But it is not as fresh as it was, of course, when you are removing something from your knee. तो मुझे लगा ठीक है, ये भी सहन कर लेंगे. इतना किया था अभी तक. तो फिर वहाँ पे मम्मी पापा ने बोला था मुझे कि साइना, एक चीज़ याद रखना, तू जब से जीतते आई है अभी तक, there is only you. तूने मेहनत करी है, तेरे कोचेस ने मेहनत करी है, और तूने मेहनत करी है, और हमारी जो भी थोड़ी बहुत तू बोलना चाहे, हम भी तेरे पीछे थे. यही लोग मैटर करते हैं जो तुझे बोलते हैं और जिसको तुझे सुनना चाहिए. 1000 लोग 1000 बोलते हैं, तुझे क्या नरेंद्र मोदी सर को भी बोलते हैं, तो why do you care? Why do you care about it? तुझे अपने, you should just focus on coming back, strengthening your knee. But I was saying, नहीं मम्मी, मुझे नहीं खेलना है, मुझे नहीं जाना है. And they both were like, दोनों मम्मी पापा मेरे से पहले जिम जाते थे. They were badminton players before. They used to go there and they just start training. एक रनिंग करता था तो एक वेट ट्रेनिंग करते थे. And I used to feel motivated. चलो गेम का देखते हैं, पहले इनके साथ ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. It was like that. So first 2-3 months जो भी मुझे रिहैब का स्टेज लगा, these two they really made me work every day. स्ट्रेंथनिंग करवा दी, मेरी नी ठीक करवा दी. फिर मुझे लगा अब मैं वापस कोर्ट में जाके खेल सकती हूँ, तो धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूवमेंट शुरू हो गया. एंड देन आई कुड सी दैट मैं फिर से उन्हीं प्लेयर्स के साथ, I was not like beating them straight games easily. 3 games हो रहा था, tough हो रहा था, इधर उधर हार जा रही थी. But in the World Championships, I came back with the bronze medal. Then उसके बाद I played finals in the Indonesia Open.
Yeah. 2 weeks back, Indonesia, she beat Ratchanok Intanon, she beat Sindhu, she lost to the world number 1, didn't you?
Number 1 in the finals.
She's world number 11 right now. They said that kabhi she can't even break into the world top 20. She broke into the top 10 too. She was in the top 5 also for some time. Weren't you in between?
I was.
You were.
But the thing is, मैंने जो अभी न्यू फिजियो रखा है अपना, वो तो मुझ पे हंसता है, बोलता है साइना अगर तू अचीव नहीं कर पाएगी विद हैविंग नो स्ट्रेंथ एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, और जो आई एम गिविंग यू दैट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग एंड स्ट्रेंथ प्रोग्राम नाउ, यू शुड बी एबल टू गिव वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंसेज. एंड लोगों का क्या है, दे हार्डली मैटर. द पीपल, मैं मैटर करता हूँ तुझे बिकॉज आई गेव यू द प्रोग्राम, and it's my responsibility that I get you back to where you were, and definitely it is possible. और किसी कुछ सुनने का जरूरत नहीं है. I know how it feels. Every field is challenging. Competition हर एक जगह पे है. But the only thing matters is how you work hard and how smartly you train. It is not like you train blindly for 10 to 12 hours. The training should be correct with proper kind of strengthening which you never did. So this is the program I'm giving you, and let's see how better you And in fact, after his program only, I could see the changes happening. And although I lost in the All England with the world number one
Yes.
because of my ranking, I have to face the top
Yeah,
players.
you have to play the toughest because
Toughest
the
opponents.
road back is the toughest because
But
you
that
play
was the only
play
round
the
which was
big
tough
guy.
for me.
Yeah.
You know, I felt if I could beat her in that round, then till finals, I think there was no one who could
Nobody else
touch
could-
me.
yeah.
And this girl, I was very close to. Second game, I was actually leading 17-11.
Yes.
And I didn't even miss a single shot of hers, which was actually before a big trouble for me.
Yeah.
So I could see there was a lot of improvement. But the only thing which we couldn't focus on was a little bit of stamina part and agility because they wanted to first work on the strengthening part, which was important. Otherwise, I would just injure my leg again. So they were happy with the kind of improvement. They were like, just give us 2-3 months more and then you see the
When did you have
improvement
the
happening.
surgery?
It was in 2016 September,
2016 September. When did you win get the bronze in the World Championship?
August 2017.
August 2017.
Last year.
11 months. 11 months. After a career-threatening knee surgery.
Actually, the girl who fell in the Rio,
Yeah.
she also had ACL.
Yeah.
And she still couldn't come back. She was a former...
Leisure-ui.
Leisure-ui. She
Yeah.
still couldn't come back because after the surgery, it takes time to rehab, to get that confidence, to play those big matches. But I would like to thank my team who worked with me with such good strengthening part and could make me play. The doctor was like 4 months se pehle utar mat jana court pe, but he made me stand on the court 2 months ke baad hi. So that I know it is a quite challenging thing for the physios also, but they're like thoda sa doctor se zyada they try to push you more harder and harder. But
I hope it's dawning upon you why at 27 she is an icon. She is, I respect her so much because it's not easy as an athlete to play through pain and to come back after being rejected overnight. And I'm telling you, because I was there as a journalist, as a sports fan, I was feeling upset that India had moved on from Saina overnight the moment she had that injury. And they thought, ho gaya, iska to khatam ho gaya. So we're so fickle, no, as people. We just turn around, turn away. But she's come back, she's bought back, and we've turned back and taken the note. Arey, ye to khel rahi hai? She's come back. You see, that's what happened.
इसलिए मम्मी भी बोलती थी ड्रामा अच्छा लगता है क्या तेरे को, तो कभी भी तू ऐसा करती है कि चैलेंजिंग स्टफ से ही निकाल के लेके आती है, बट यू डू दैट एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है कि सायरा हमेशा लास्ट में जीत जाती है एंड इट्स अ नाइस फीलिंग एंड आई थैंक देम फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी, क्योंकि आज मैं जो जीत रही हूँ
Namaste, ma'am.
उन्हीं की वजह से जीत रही हूँ.
Your mom or your dad are always there with you, aren't they?
डेफिनेटली. अब मुझे इसलिए इनका सपोर्ट इतना ज़्यादा इट्स बिकम इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी, क्योंकि पहले मैं सोचती थी यार मेरी मेहनत से मुझे आ जाएगा, और आ रहा था, एवरीथिंग वाज फॉलिंग इन प्लेस. बट मुझे लगा कि कहीं जो इम्पोर्टेंस थी मुझे वो सर्जरी के बाद ही मालूम हुई कि कितना इन लोगों की सपोर्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रखती है. और अगर वो फेज़ मेरे ज़िंदगी में आता नहीं तो शायद मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आता कि इन्होंने मेरे लिए जो किया था और वो उतना मायने रखता था क्या मुझे. बट आई जस्ट फेल कि मैं बस उनकी जो बात सुन के अपनी ट्रेनिंग करती रहूँगी. उनको कभी बोलती थी मम्मी प्लीज़ मुझे तंग मत करो, ये मत सिखाओ, वो मत सिखाओ. बट उनकी बातें जो थी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंस रखती थी. और अभी भी जो मैं उनसे सीखती हूँ, जब वो बोलते हैं कि साया तो ज़्यादा कर रही है, देख के कहीं ज़्यादा पुश मत कर देना, यू नो इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू स्टे फिट एंड विद स्मार्ट ट्रेनिंग एज द फिजियो सेड. तो अभी जो जैसे टूर्नामेंट सीजन है, सो मेनी टूर्नामेंट्स अहेड, तो इट्स लाइक अभी तो स्टार्ट है, लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज.
पराठे चल रहे हैं, बंद हो गए हैं.
सब बंद कर दिए हैं, इट्स
सब
लाइक
बंद हो गए.
सब बंद हो गए हैं. एंड इट्स कंपटीशन इज बिकम लाइक दैट कि आजकल आप स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की डाइट देखोगे तो प्लेट में कुछ भी नहीं है. इट जस्ट बिकम वेजिटेबल्स एंड नो शुगर एट ऑल थ्रू आउट द डे. और यू नो जब थोड़ा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का मन करे ड्यूरिंग द मैचेस इन टूर्नामेंट्स, बस. अदरवाइज देयर इज नथिंग शुगर, देयर इज नो मतलब जब तक कोई टफ सेशन ना हुआ हो, देयर इज नथिंग मोर देन प्रोटीन गोइंग इन योर स्टमक, बस. तो इतना
ज्यादा नहीं, 5-6 साल और ऐसे करना पड़ेगा उसके बाद.
अरे अभी तो 11 बेस्ट ऑफ 5 कर रहे हैं, तो आप 7-8 साल भी खेल सकते
7-8
हैं.
साल, very good.
Because if they
That's
change
the
it to
spirit.
11 best of 5, then the game will become a little bit more shorter and it will become more faster. You don't have to really need that kind of crazy stamina to push it to longer matches. So it will become, because even the Chongwei and Linda and they're 35, 36 now.
Tell us about that. You know, she and Sindhu recently played together against Lindan and Lee Chongwei. Lindan and Lee Chongwei are like right up there.
They're like Roger Federer, Nadal of badminton.
So imagine a Roger Federer Nadal tennis match going on. It's Lee Chong Wei Linda, and it's poetry in motion on the badminton court. Every match is a textbook coaching manual for you in terms of different styles of play and in terms of deception. So many things. You can keep talking endlessly. But how did you guys beat them? I missed that, but you have to talk us through that.
All thanks to Lee Chong Wei Linden, I think, because they were just, I mean, of course, playing with us. They just wanted to rally. They didn't want to finish the shot.
A bunch of girls from
Khelenge,
India.
rallies khelenge, but they didn't know okay, we could pick up so many shuttles and make them tired. So, obviously, boys' main weapon is that how fast they go and attack the shuttle and finish it off. And otherwise, they can do is like toss and drop. The rallies will be happening. And finally, we ended up with a good smash, and they were like, they wanted to finish it, or I don't know what it was, but they missed it. And the stadium went mad, like Saina and Sindhu won that rally, and it was a big rally. It is actually there on the YouTube also. It's like 1 minute, 45 seconds rally or something,
Wow.
and it was a big, big rally.
So, yeah, some really special stuff. Are things okay? Now let's just move on a little, and there has to be some things which Saina Nehwal has to give me some headlines, don't we? I'm a news junkie. So are things okay between you and Sindhu? Are you, you know?
It's a good question. I think many people, they hate about me. One thing is that I'm not friendly at all with anyone. So it's not like, I don't want to talk to anyone, or I don't want to be friends with anyone. I am going to the hall every day is because it's my job. I'm not going there to do any kind of time pass or sit there for any kind of stupid stuff. And that's why they hate me, because Saina is full-time training. So that's the only thing which I do. And there is nothing between me and Sindhu. There is no like hate relationship or love relationship. She comes and trains, her timing is different, my timing is different, and sometimes we both have the same time training. But I would like to salute Gopi sir for that, because he knows that there are many rivalries happening there in the stadium between the, of course, me and Sindhu, then Pranoy and Srikanth, and then there are many boys. So he tries to, kitna comfortable inke liye bana sake, wo important hai. So he tries to make that, she will play with different boys, I'll play with different boys.
No, but there will be
alag rehta hai.
but there will be times that you're in tournaments together. You are.
कभी कुछ सुना है ऐसा, कभी नहीं सुना होगा ना, तो ऐसा होगा ही नहीं, ना मेरे और सिंधु के बीच में, ना मेरे और सानिया के बीच में. There's nothing like that.
There's nothing like that. अच्छा, now the next question I have to ask. ये coaches के बीच में toss क्यों चल रहा है आपका? विमल कुमार से गोपी सर से फिर विमल, फिर वापस अभी गोपी सर.
आई थिंक जब मैं गोपी सर से मैंने आई थिंक उस टाइम पे न्यूज़ में भी बोल दिया था कि आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि मेरा गेम कहीं मुझे आगे बढ़ने नहीं दे रहा. आई वॉज वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 व्हेन आई वन सो मेनी टाइटल्स, वर्ल्ड नंबर 2 व्हेन आई वन मेनी टाइटल्स. 2 years तक मुझे आई डोंट नो, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट दी आंसर्स कि शायद मैं गलत खेल रही हूँ या मेरा ट्रेनिंग ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. तो काफ़ी मेरे दिमाग में 100 क्वेश्चन चल रहे थे, एंड समटाइम्स यू गेट डेस्परेट कि यू वांट टू अचीव मोर, यू वांट टू गेट मोर रिजल्ट्स. And that is when in 2014 Thomas Uber Cup, I met Vimal sir in the camp there, and he was like giving me some sessions of training. He was actually helping everyone. So I felt ke, why don't I see the change? There was nothing like a fight or something with Gopi sir. I just told him, maybe I need some change. It's not working out, or उससे पहले देखिए 7 वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स खेली थी, सब में क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में हार रही थी. कौन पागल नहीं होगा. मैं आई जस्ट वेंट मैड के मेरे को मेडल नहीं आ रहा है, एंड आई वाज नॉट इवन रीचिंग द सेमीफाइनल्स. सो मैं जाके विमल सर से बात करी, एंड ही वाज लाइक, लेट अस ट्राई इट आउट, यू नेवर नो व्हाट विल हैपन टुमारो. इतने